Hello class, we are back for English literature class again. Today is Thursday, yes. Hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to start explaining you the chapter. Last time I did the reading of chapter 5, New James Reader, chapter 5, that was Jojo's Pet. Page 30. Yes, I did reading. Today I am going to read as well as explain to you the story. Please take out your books and be attentive and listen what I am teaching you very minutely. Okay? Please pay attention because it's a very interesting story. It is about a small boy and his new pet. Understood? Are you ready, student? Take out your New James Reader book, page 30, chapter 5, Jojo's Pet. May I start? Okay. One day, Jojo saw a baby bird, hopping in the bushes. The little bird was hurt in one wing. Jojo wanted to help the bird. So one day what happened? Jojo was passing by and all of a sudden he saw a small baby bird. It was hopping in the bushes. Bushes means lot of plants which are all together, very clumsy way, bushes. And the little bird was what? Hurt, means got hurt on its wing. So what happened? If a bird gets hurt on a wing, then it cannot fly. And since it hurt on the wing, she couldn't fly and she has to hop. Normally what? Children, the birds usually fly. But what happened? Since that baby bird got hurt on the wing, couldn't fly. So it was hopping. And Jojo, after looking at the bird, felt very sad, And Jojo wanted to help the bird. Seeing the bird got hurt, Jojo wanted to help the little bird. So what happened? He carried the baby bird home in his basket. So he had one basket on which, since the bird couldn't fly, he picked up the bird and put it inside the basket and took the bird home. Okay. Then he took a hammer, small nails, and some wood. He built a bird house for the baby bird. So what did Jojo do? Jojo took the bird home. Now he thought that we got home to stay. But where will the bird stay now? So he decided to make one home for that small bird. And what happened? He took hammer. It is a tool, Hammer. And nails. And some wood. Why? To make a house, you need with wood, you need nails. To fix up and frame up. Okay? And hammer is a tool, It's a wooden bar with an iron lump at the top. With which you hit to put the nails, all these things, okay? So Jojo took a hammer, some nails and woods, and he built a small house for the bird. And he was very fond of that baby bird. So he made a house for that bird. Jojo named his new pet Tweety. What name did he give to the pet? He gave the pet name Tweety. He caught insects for Tweety to eat. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. So inside the house, the bird was there. Jojo took a cup on which he put little water so that the baby bird can take when it is thirsty. And as a food, what did Jojo do? He caught insects and gave the bird to eat. Tweety, her wings got better and she learned to fly. So Jojo, what happened? Jojo every day took care of that little bird because she got hurt on the wings, no? And she couldn't fly. So what happened? Jojo took care, and slowly the little bird got better and it learned how to what? Fly. Then, and after the baby bird learned how to fly, whenever Jojo used to call the bird used to fly and come and sit on his hand. So that bird got so friendly with Jojo that whenever Jojo used to call the bird, the baby bird used to fly and come and sit on his hand. But remember, Tweety was very naughty. The baby bird was very what? Naughty. One morning, Jojo could not find his top. He looked for it till it was time to leave for school. He could not put on one boot. So Jojo had a toy, top, which spin. You play. But one day what happened? In the morning, Jojo couldn't find his top. So he was looking here, there, everywhere. But the top was missing. So now it was time for him to go to school. So Jojo went to put on his boots, means shoes. Little shoes with a little high lace and high top. It's called boots. So Jojo went to put on his boots and get ready for school. So when he put on one of his feet boot, and when he went to put on another boot, he could not put his leg inside. So he is thinking, what happened? One boot I put on, another boot I cannot wear. What happened? So Jojo, what happened? He thought then something might be inside, that I cannot wear my boot. What shall I do? So he held the boot. He took the boot on his hand and he shook it to find that why aren't his feet going inside. So when he shook the boot, the top fell out of it. From the boot, what came out? The top, the toy top which he could not find was inside one of his boot. And so what happened? When he shook, that boot fell down. As it fell down, Tweety flapped. Flap means kept moving. Tweety was so happy. Actually, she was naughty, She was so happy to see the top coming out inside the boot. She flapped her wings like this and kept on laughing. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And what noises she made? Tweet, 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 tweet. That was her way of laughing. So when Tweety used to laugh, she used to make noise. Tweet, tweet, tweet. What kind of noise? Tweet, tweet, tweet. And when she started laughing, Jojo also started laughing. So he picked up the bag. Jojo then found the top and he picked up his bag and he left for school. So you understood the story? This is about one of the boy named Pet, one boy named Jojo, and one day while he was moving from the garden, he saw the bushes, one small baby bird hopping, and the baby bird wing was hurt. So who takes the baby bird home? Jojo takes the baby bird home. In what did he take the bird? He took the bird in a basket. After going home, what did Jojo do? Jojo took hammer, nails and wood. Why did he take hammer, nails and wood? Because he wanted to build a house for Tweety, the new pet. What name did he give the pet? It was Tweety. And what food did Jojo give the bird? Insects. He used to catch insects and give to thing. And give water in what? And also put water in a cup for Tweety. So Tweety got okay slowly. And when Jojo used to call Tweety, what Tweety used to do? Tweety used to fly and come and sit on Jojo's hand. What kind of bird was? How was Tweety? Tweety was very naughty bird. And one day what happened? Jojo was not getting his top. He was about to go to school, but he was looking for the toy, but he couldn't find. So when he put on his boots, one boots he put on, and the other boot when he went to put on, he could not put in. Why? Because he thought something is inside the boot. So when he shook the boot, what did he find? The top fell out of the boot. And as it fell down, Tweety started laughing. How? By flapping her wings. And what noise she was making? Tweet, tweet, tweet. And hearing that, Jojo also started laughing. And after that, Jojo went for the school. Got it? Hope you all like the story. Here are some of the hard words I'm reading out. And I'll be giving you on the snapshot. Please learn it for the next class. It's clear to you? First word is hopping. Second one is bushes. Third one is hurt. Fourth one is carried. Fifth one is basket. Sixth one is hammer. Seventh one is nails. Eighth one is built. 9 is insects. 10 is water. 11 is better. 12 is Tweety. 13 is naughty. 14 is stuck. 14 is stuck. 15 is flapped. 16 is laughed. 17 is wing. 18 is shook. 19 is cool. And 28 is fresh. It's clear to you? So this I'll give you on your assignment. Please read the chapter properly. Hope you all practice reading. And the next day, learn the spellings. Okay, students? So when I meet, and everything will be given in your assignment. Follow the assignment, it will be easy for you. So next day we'll start with the spelling and we'll try to go for the exercises. Okay? Hope you all understood the story very well. And as I instructed, please do it. Okay?